with my daughter, and what we have to do is we will make a dessert. 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 What is dessert? What is dessert?
Di ko alam.
What?
Yung walang dessert. So what we have to do is to place this butter into the pan. And then, ate, pasuyo ng pang ano, pang kulo-kulo ay pang using the what is this ate? Yung binili mo? Master ano of Miss Diwa? Ano pangalan to? Master? Chef Master? Okay. So, we have also sotanghon. We will just wait for this one to melt. Yes, na. Iligay mo na.
Lahat po.
Yes. And then, I will place this evaporada. Sana evaporada, oh. Evaporada. Jersey. I have a friend, Jerry. Doc Jerry. Kuya Jerry.
Okay.
Aha. Hirap eh. Wala pala siyang ano. Talas. Kaya lang pala eh. This one. Oh, dali lang. Meron siyang talas. Then, we have to place two evaporated. What is this? Isunugin natin ito. Tapos i-place in the ano. Then, place gata. Gata also. Ano to? FNN. Kondensana. Sana all. FNN. Kondensana.
Sana all.
Are you there, anak?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes? And then, what else will I do? Can you give me a salt to taste to balance the diet? Oh, here is the salt.
Oh.
Okay na kaya yun? Pwede na. Isa pa. Okay. And then, I just want to add, you can add this one
Yeah,
anak. So,
my favorite po.
yeah, so you just place
Okay
it there.
lang po.
No, we are trying to make it orange, but we don't, I didn't see orange at the store, so, damihan mo.
You could have buy, yellow and red.
Yellow and red. Wow. Wala naman bola. Ate, wala ba tayong food color dyan? We'll place this one.
This yellow.
This one.
This coloring. Yes.
Sotanghon here. Okay, so we will just wait for this one to boil and I will place that
Okay
one
na, orange na.
little by little. Pero hindi pa naman, that's yellow pa eh.
Oh.
Can I see the consistency? Pero bakit? It doesn't. Sige, let's place this one already. But this doesn't have taste. So I probably add, but I already add the a sweetener. So this might be
Can I mix?
okay. Sure. Just mix it little by little. Okay. Oh, ang bango. Ah, tumitigas na. Sige pa. Place it pa more. Sige pa, don't worry until it reaches this one. Oh, go ahead, go. Sige pa. Sige pa, sige. Wow. It's nearly cooking. Okay. It's being okay.
Slime.
Wow. Wow, malapit na. Wow. Then after this, you will be going, you are the ones to place the cheese, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Dough. Okay. Okay, so we will be placing it. Or we will place. Ate, ano ba? Are we going to bake it?
Place cheese
Because
all
later
over
on,
the
we will taste test.
Place cheese at the top.
Place cheese at the top, and you will going to. Are you going to bake it or not?
You should probably bake it again.
We should probably bake it. Okay, later on.
Yummy.
No, try it because you were the one who cooked it. And later on, we will slice it. Is it yummy? Huh?
Lalong sarap yan. Sarap din dito.
Are we going to
Enough.
place it in the oven, te? Para mag-melt yung ano, hindi.
Ito?
Oo. Sige na, buksan mo nga para mag-melt yung ano, yung tawag ito. Yung cheese
I
niya.
think it's okay now.
I think it's
There's
okay
just too
now.
much cheese.
Okay, we have to melt the cheese first.
Alis din mo yun.
Wow. It's melting. Wow, nag-melt yung cheese. Wow. Wow. Ano pang slice mo dito? Now, how big do you want? This one? Okay. Tate, can I have your plate also? We will have your. Is that your plate? Okay. So this is for Precious. You try it, right? And then Tate, oh, here. You have to tell if it's yummy or not. Jessa, come over here.
Ano?
Mahablang ka.
Sarap.
When? Hindi nga.
Ang sarap. Kailangan maubos kasi kung hindi maubos.
Ate Jeng, come over. Lika, try my recipe.
Ako sayang, kumain na kasi ang kanin niya. Bigay mo kay Dok yung ano. Ano masasabi mo?
Ah, good.
Ha? Kay ma'am? Nice.
Konti lang to ka.
Paano?
Konti.
Nabusog din Dok
Konti
kasi
lang
hindi
to.
kami hanggang pagkain niya.
Nice.
Ayun, bigyan mo na ano.
Ano tawag ito? Please please make from 1 to 10, 10 is the very highest.
Paano yan? Paano yung sarap? Paano yung sarap?
Ano? Napilitan lang yan, Dok. Hindi, ipakita talaga na
Sarap,
maubos.
Dok.
Paano yung sarap?
Ano po yun?
Ano ba tawag dito? Ano tawag
Ano
dito?
po tawag nito?
Baked sotanghon ala baked sotanghon a la
Kaya na nga, busin.
Uncle Orange.
Masarap.
Sarap. Pero kailangan natin soft drinks na to.
Something. Meron ba something sa ref?
Dami.
Then open it. Are you sure?
Promise.
Jojo, you have to try it also.
Yung juju, kailangan
Binjo
yan.
ka ng binjo.
Tikman mo din. Hamper ka naman kung di ka tumikin.
Kailangan maubos ha.
Asan sila? Asan mga boys sa baba?
Hindi ka umakyat, nahiya do.
Nahiya? Saan sila? Nahiya?
Hindi, o kata.
Ah, wala din, men.
Hey.
Pwede na rin dito ka. Napilitan lang yan do kasi uminom agad ng tubig.
Yummy. Good, good.
Pwede pala yung gano'n.
Mas maganda.
Orange din.
Mas masarap sigurado to sa ano kapag mainit, malamig na.
Okay ka lang?
Kasi dessert siya
Tapos
eh.
yung ginaganon do,
Mhm. Yummy?
namoy do. Kanin.
Sure kayo?
Yeah.
Oh, joke, sarap nga eh. Sobrang sarap.
Kailan naging masarap yan eh?
Ngayon lang ako nakakain.
Parang mga tiksin.
Ha?
First time. At saka ano, kumbaga sa ano, hindi siya tinipid siya.
May ito pangalan ko dyan.
Ang pangalan nito, hindi ko mo alam na ito eh.
Orange eh.
Pangalan daw? Orange Company.
Orange Company. Bigay mo yun ha, Orange Company daw ang pangalan niya.
Tapos ang inom nila ay orange din.
Thank you. So, later on, subaybayan nyo ang ating mga susunod na lutuin. Ito ay hango sa napanood. Kaya ginawa ko lang siya. Yung napanood ko kasi na sotanghon is ube. Pero kaya gumawa ako ng sarili kong version which is orange. But it's still sotanghon. The ingredients are all the same except I placed a cheese on top of it and a instead of violet color, it's an orange color. Okay? Okay?
Okay.